Hello, folks. Let us see a detailed description about database development package. A database development package. It contains three courses: SQL, JDBC, Spring Data, JPA. Let's go to the course content. First one is SQL. I explained all SQL concepts by making use of Oracle 11G. All these SQL commands are compatible for the Oracle. Please observe, every SQL command compatible for Oracle. So try installing any Express edition of the Oracle. Better go for Oracle 11G Express edition. Right from the installation onwards, I have explained Oracle 11G installation and also SQL Developer. While installing Oracle 11G, if you are getting any kind of issues, then you can follow uninstallation properly, then you can do the installation. I have clearly explained how you can uninstall Oracle by removing from the registry. Once a setup is done, like a installation of Oracle and also SQL Developer, then the detailed information about DDL, DML, DQL is observed. Every information related to DDL commands, DML commands, DQL commands. In the DQL commands, I have explained several real-time SQL queries. Select command is very important in the interviews. I have covered lot of real-time examples in the DQL. You can just check it out. Lot of DQL, for example purpose, reading second maximum salary, third minimum salary, nth maximum salary, pagination purpose, reading particular records like record number 30th to 40th for one particular page. Then how we can remove the duplicates in a given table. Likewise, a lot more are there. All interview related questions, the real-time usage. Then not null, unique and primary. Detailed information about why do we require not null, how to use, why do we require unique and how to use. Similarly, primary, differences among these, the clear explanation. Then foreign key, why do we require, what are the conditions to be followed to achieve the foreign key, why do we require a foreign key. Every information you'll come to know. Then relationships between the tables, one-to-one, please observe. One-to-one relation, you can also call it one-to-one mapping. Clearly mentioned, why do we require one-to-one, how to achieve, what are the conditions to be followed for one-to-one, and how to make use of joining between two tables in one-to-one. What are the different joins available? Clearly explained with the joins as well. Similarly, one-to-many. Why do we require one-to-many when we have to achieve? What are the conditions to be followed for one-to-many? Even in one-to-many also, all different types of joins. Then many-to-many. Why do we require when to achieve, how to achieve? What are the joins? How we can able to achieve the joins? So here, three tables will be how we can join all three tables, different types of joins I have explained. Then how to handle date and timestamp. How to handle date and timestamp in the real time. I have given lot of examples. Through that, everybody can able to understand how to convert a string into date, date into string, how to convert string into timestamp, timestamp into string, how we can go for finding out records between two dates or between two timestamps. Vast explanation you can find. Then designing employee database. A simple employee database by considering one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-many, all mappings. Everybody can able to understand. Please observe. Through this, you can understand any database design for a project. Simple database design for employee data. So for employee data, I have considered address, I have considered skills, I have considered projects, like a gender, all mappings you can see. One-to-one mapping, one-to-many, many-to-many, you can easily understand it. Through this, you can start designing database for a new project as well. Then three normal forms. First normal form, second normal form, third normal form. Then one case study. One case study I have explained. I have given this as an example to you to design by yourself. Designing a car database. So something like for car showroom, for car showroom, multiple cars, multiple models, multiple colors, multiple different types of fuels. By considering all, how we can design a database. Here I clearly explained to design by yourself. With this SQL, you can understand anything. With this SQL tutorial, you will become very strong. Each and every concept, whatever is required to develop a project and even to attend any of the interviews, this will be highly, highly sufficient. Every concept I have covered. Then come to JDBC. To interact with the database from a Java program, we will be using JDBC. Right from the setup onwards, I have clearly covered every concept, whatever is required to understand JDBC. After setup, first program, various ways of inserting from a Java program, how we can insert data into the database. Then fetching, like a reading. How to use try catch, and finally, while interacting with the database, how we can connect external property file to read the data to store in the database. How we can manage util developments and transaction management. Please observe. In all these, I have chosen statement object. The next topic is completely prepared statement. You can come to know the difference between these two. The next topic is callable statement. You'll come to know completely stored procedure usage. Then Eclipse usage with a scrollable and updatable, that is JDBC 2.0 feature. Scrolling result set, updating a result set, then batch updates, blob data type, metadatas, metadata of a table, metadata of a result set, reading database specific keys, save point related to transaction. Inside a transaction, we can mark any number of save points. Row ID of a particular row, how we can manage row ID for a particular row. To interact with the Excel sheet, usage of POI to interact with the Excel sheet. So from the Excel sheet, how data we can read and store in the database, mainly master data. Finally, CRUD operation. Create, read, update, delete. Create, read, update, delete. Every concept practically, every concept practically, several JDBC programs are developed. Practically, we are explaining. All these examples available for the download, and you can make use of this. With the JDBC, you can become very comfortable on interacting with the database. The last course in this package is Spring Data JPA. You may be aware of Hibernate. On top of the Hibernate, Spring Data JPA is developed. It is completely using Hibernate internally. You don't require to learn the Hibernate before learning Data JPA. Without Hibernate also, you can learn Data JPA. I have covered each and every topic very slowly with a number of examples. Even though you don't know anything about Hibernate, still you can understand complete all the concepts. I made like that. Setting up. It is like a Spring Boot setup. Spring Boot setting up. Save operation. How we can save data in the database by using data JPA inside a Spring Boot project. Inside a Spring Boot project, how we can save data in the database by using data JPA module. Save all is another operation. So save and save all both comes under create operation. After create, you can go for update by using put and patch operations. Put and patch both are for updating purpose. Then read operation, delete operation. So with this, you can understand completely CRUD. Create is save, update is put and patch, read, delete. CRUD operations you can see very clearly. All operations of CRUD we are introducing through a separate repository. You can easily understand all generators whatever available, how to maintain unique columns, how to maintain non-unique columns, where clauses with a different Boolean operations, where clauses not null and unique, please observe, where clause greater than and less than, where clause, how to read a one column, like a customized methods in the repository, selected multiple columns, DTO development, DTO joins, single join, DTO multiple joins, one-to-one unidirectional, please observe, one-to-one bidirectional, how we can maintain one-to-one between two tables by using data JPA, which is internally using Hibernate. One-to-one shared key, like a maps ID, then one-to-many unidirectional, one-to-many bidirectional, many-to-many. Every type of database interaction from a Spring Boot application by using Spring Data JPA module, that Spring Data JPA module internally using Hibernate. All these programs also available through download. You can just download those programs, try experiment. With this, you can start using Spring Data JPA in the Spring Boot applications to interact with the database. Nowadays, in all Spring Boot applications, to interact with the database, Data JPA module only using, not the Spring ORM module or not the Spring JDBC module. Spring Data JPA module. So this module internally using Hibernate. So each and every concept I have clearly covered. In this particular package, SQL, JDBC, Spring Data, JPA. For all these three courses, programs are available for downloads. Even for SQL also, all the commands available for the downloads. JDBC, every program available for downloads. Data, JPA, all the programs available for the downloads. Once you go through these three courses, you will become an expert to interact with the database from a back-end programming. I'm highly recommending this course. It is very essential for back-end developers. Every concept is clearly covered. All programs are available to download. You can speed up your study by making use of existing programs. Wish you all the very best. So take care. See you in the course. Jai Hind.